Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is POCO X7 Pro, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable quick launch on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings. Now right here we have to scroll down and find this additional settings option. Right here we have to open gesture shortcuts, and right here we have to choose launch camera. Now here we have to click on this button next to the double press the power button, and now when we double press the power button as the option says, we're going to quickly launch our camera. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!